Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to Everyman Driver. I'm Dave Erickson. Behind the camera, I'm doing a two-part video. Well, the first part is actually showcasing this cool camera that I got off Amazon, AKASA Brave7. Now, what makes it special? Dual screen, dual color screen, plus it has a microphone attached to it. For YouTubers, this is pretty awesome. Also, let's say you're maybe snowboarding, going on a bike ride, hiking. This camera might be pretty cool. So I'll put a link below. Today, I'm showcasing 1080p, 60 frames per second. Hopefully the audio comes through okay, because I am showcasing this 2021 Ford Bronco Sport. It's all new. People are loving it. I'm getting tons of questions about it. The mailman stopped by, did a little walk around of himself, by himself. Then he also asked me about it. He's looking forward to it. So I'm going to give you a little walk around as well. Even though I did a just arrived video, I'm doing a point of view video with this action cam. So here we go. This boy right here, it's called a boy. This has some competition that is quite stellar. I'm talking about the Jeep Wrangler, the Jeep Cherokee, CRV possibly, CX-5 from Mazda, maybe even the RAV4. Here we go, open it up. And we got this here. When it comes to off-roading, this is the one that people are talking about. Here's a couple engines. You've got a 1.5 liter 3-cylinder EcoBoost, turbocharged, 181 horses, 191 or 190 pound-feet of torque, 8-speed automatic transmission. This is the 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder EcoBoost, 250 horsepower, 277 pound-feet of torque. Fuel economy in this, which is what we have, 21 city, 26 highway, mixed driving number of 23. If you went with a 1.5 liter, is 26 in mixed driving, so much better overall. Now, 4-wheel drive, all-wheel drive is standard, which is pretty sweet there, don't you think? What else can I tell you? They say 0-60 in about 7.5 seconds. Maybe I'll test it, not sure. I just got the vehicle not too long ago, and now I'm trying to put the bar down. There you go. Now this comes in 5 different trim levels. Luckily, we have the top trim level. There's base, Big Bend, Outer Banks, Badlands, and First Edition. This is First Edition. Yeah, baby. Look at those wheels. So I think 17 comes standard. We might have 18 on ours. Not quite sure. Anyways, what do you think about this grill here? I'm liking that a lot. Got the tow hooks down below. They say 7.8 to 7.9 inches of ground clearance, which is competitive with the likes of the Outback, which this also competes with. Got the roof rack on top. I'll show you more inside here in a moment, but I want to kind of open all the doors. We'll do a back seat, legroom, and headroom as well, even though I did it in the just arrived video. So they've got a glass. Can you see that? Glass and also a door. So we'll do glass first. Pop here. This opens up, which allows you to go inside, grab your supplies that way. I'll bring down those back seats as well. Otherwise, we got the door here. Hey, I like from camera point of view already. I hope you like it. I kind of do. Down here, full tire, full spare tire. And I'll fold those down in a second after I do a backseat legroom and headroom. I can tell you that the cargo room is 30 cubic feet behind this. Folding those down increases it to about 60 or 63 cubic feet of volume. It's kind of weird. With the 1.5 liter, it's a little less versus the 2 liter engine in terms of cargo space. You get more space with the bigger engine. Let's see if I can give you a legroom example. POV. All right, that's my position as a driver. So legroom, yeah, you know, come on now. Compact, not sure. And we'll go in the front, should show you that as well. So there's a better view in my just arrived video. No USB ports. They say 8 different cup holders throughout the vehicle. Oh, now it's a good idea. So we'll fold that down. There you go for that. And here you go. There is your 60 plus cubic feet of cargo volume. I like the back. We have orange metallic color. Let's go inside. All right. 8-inch screen here, 6.5 there. Got some animation. I like the Bronco on the steering wheel. Push button start. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto is standard. What makes this vehicle so awesome is the go off-road anywhere multi-terrain select system down here. I just call it the Tom Brady, the GOAT mode. By turning this, they show, I'm not sure if you can see it in the camera, normal, eco, sport, slippery, where's the mud and ruts, sand, and rock crawl. So the drive modes are everywhere. Backup camera, pretty nice. Actually, it's in park, but the backup camera's there. Nice little safety feature, I guess, right? Tray, wireless charging pad here, USB port plug in there. There's 2 of the 8 cup holders. And the steering wheel. What do you think? Not too bad so far, right? All right, there you go. Just a quick one because I've already done a just arrived walk around demo of this. So this again between $27,000 and $39,000. Again, it competes with CR-V, CX-5, Jeep, Cherokee, Wrangler, Outback, maybe even the RAV4 a little bit. They say towing capacity between 2,000 and 2,200. Not as good as the competition, but oh well, what are you going to do? It's brand new. Not bad. It's a head turner for sure. Okay, hope you like that POV. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of this type of video demo from the point of view of me. Here are my shoulder strap of my backpack, and if the audio came by okay as well. Again, here's the camera that we're showcasing, the AKASA Brave7. Link in the description below. I'm glad I got it. No regrets whatsoever. I love the microphone. It's very intuitive to use. If you want to learn more about the controls, stay tuned. Otherwise, the Ford video is complete. See you next time. Adios.
All right, for those of you who've stayed with me and want to take a look at the camera, here it is. It is a good looking GoPro-like camera, although the price is much better. It's like $140-ish is what I got it for. And it came with all these different accessories, and the big kicker right here is this microphone, which plugs into the side. That is the best part of it. You got the camera, the frame, there's a remote control in here. There's 2 batteries. It came with 2 batteries, all these different mounts, lens cloth. Really nice. Really happy with this thing here. So the way to turn it on, I press button here, the red button. Makes a little noise. This is so easy to use. It's all a little swiping left and right. Goes to photo, back to video, 1080p 60, and up and down. Shows what my frame rate is right now. Average on the meter. Go back down. You can lock it, turn it off and on. This is where you work on the settings. There's the resolution options. It goes up to 4K, 2.7K, and there's my 1080p 60 frames, 30 frames, 720. Look how easy it is to swipe. Stabilizer, so when I'm moving around, should work pretty good. The video encode, that's for those people who want to put it on YouTube. The 264H is the way to go. Loop recording time, that means it'll record in increments of 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 7 minutes, and then make a new video clip. I have it off because I just want it ongoing. Slow motion, how about that? Time-lapse intervals, duration, still photo, audio record. That's why I have it on right now, because I can plug this into the side. So here's where that is. The memory card goes in here, and then the microphone simply goes right there. So handy. Perfect for what I'm doing. Exposure, different scenes. Let's go back. Yeah, scenes. So if you're riding your bike, I guess, snow, night scenes, normal. And then one more option here, voice controls, which I haven't done. Sound, the angle. You know, I should have probably gone a little wide. 170, not bad. driving mode, remote control. I took the date off. You could have the date on the screen if you want, but I decided not to. And then I press the play button here. You can see the clips that I've already recorded. So for example, there is the Ford that we just did. I press play. You'll be able to hear it.
Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to Everyman Driver. I'm Dave Erickson. Behind the camera, I'm doing
There you go. So that's how that works. And you can fast forward if you want. We'll go back to different clips. I was practicing some different things here. Actually made a video just in my office with a microphone. Loved it. So this camera is a great one. And in the video I just shot, I have this on my backpack. I bought this separately. It's a backpack clip mount. I think this was only like $10. Good deal to have that for if you want to go and be active. That's what I used to put on for this video. So different accessories. It's a great camera. I would definitely go this in the future over GoPro for the price, the ease of use, and especially on how you can use and swipe on the back. So again, this is waterproof as an action cam. So yeah, take it wherever you want to get wet or possibly in the snow. As far as changing the screen, only one screen at a time can be on. So you hold down the down button here for a couple of moments, and then the screen here pops up. So that's how you can see that. So for vloggers, this is a good camera for vloggers. You change that up and then you can frame yourself and see what you look like when you're recording your videos. Again, just by pressing the down button, you'll switch between screens. And now we're back at the back screen. There you go. I'll put a link to this in the description below, along with this mount if you want. So AKASA, this is the Brave7. So many cool things about it. Definitely check it out if you want one. I'd highly encourage you to. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a good one. Adios.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.